Hey guys, welcome to Brandon's Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to check the inventory for PS5 or Xbox at your local Walmart. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So to check this inventory at your local Walmart, you'll actually have to do that through the app. So download Walmart app, and once you have that downloaded, go into the Walmart app and you'll see on the top a barcode. Click on the barcode and it'll come to this interface, and click on the top again, the barcode, and then it'll bring you to barcode number, and let's enter the barcode. I'll also leave the barcode for PS5, PS5 digital, and Xbox Series X in the description below, so you can take a look at that. And once you have that, just punch in this is the one for digital. So once you have that code, hit submit, and it will actually show you. So the local Walmart here does not have any, so it's showing me unavailable in your store, but you have to check your local Walmart and see if they have them in stock. A lot of people have been having success with it, so if you do find them that they have them in stock at one of your local stores, you can go ahead and walk in there and talk to one of the managers. A lot of the associates, they will tell you they don't have them in stock, but if you talk to a manager, I have heard that a lot of people have been getting lucky with asking a manager for it. So you can go ahead and ask the manager, and hopefully you get lucky and you're able to pick one up. I'm waiting for them to still come in stock at my Walmart or Target. Targets are really not letting you pick one up in store. The only way you can pick them up at Target is order online and pick them up at the store, or you can drive up and pick them up. So they have been very strict about it, but Walmart people have been having luck with it. So go ahead and try your luck and see if you can find one. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do get lucky and you are able to pick one up, let us know in the comments below. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.